Think you need years of coding experience, a computer science degree, or a massive budget to launch your own app? Think again. What if I told you that you could clone an existing app and publish it to the Apple App Store in under 1 hour? Yes, you heard that right. In this video, I'm going to show you a revolutionary shortcut to app ownership. This isn't about learning complex programming languages or spending months debugging code. It's about leveraging smart strategies to get your app live, fast. Imagine the possibilities. Passive income streams, a new business venture, or simply the satisfaction of seeing your name next to a live app. App ownership is no longer an exclusive club for elite developers. It's accessible to anyone with the right approach. You might be wondering how this is even possible without writing a single line of code. That's the clever trick we're about to uncover. Forget everything you thought you knew about app development. We're about to redefine what's achievable for entrepreneurs and tech enthusiasts like you. Why bother with app ownership? The mobile app market is a multi-billion-dollar industry, constantly growing and evolving. Having an app on the App Store means tapping into a global audience of billions of potential users. It's a powerful platform for reaching customers, delivering content, or even just generating ad revenue. Many people dream of having their own app, but are intimidated by the perceived technical hurdles. They believe it requires deep coding knowledge, complex development environments, and a significant time investment. This perception often stops aspiring app owners before they even begin. But what if those hurdles were largely artificial? What if there was a proven method to bypass the traditional development cycle? We're talking about a path that prioritizes speed, efficiency, and results. This method is perfect for entrepreneurs, small business owners, or anyone looking to quickly validate an app idea. This isn't about building the next Facebook from scratch. It's about smart, strategic deployment. It's about getting a functional, appealing app into the hands of users without the typical development headaches. This approach democratizes app creation, making it available to everyone. Step 1. Choosing your app and AMP. Finding a template. The first crucial step is selecting the right foundation for your app. We're not building from scratch. We're leveraging pre-built, high-quality app templates. Think of these as fully functional app skeletons, ready for your personal touch. The key is to choose a template that is easy to customize and boasts a clean, intuitive user interface. Look for templates designed with modern aesthetics and robust functionality. Avoid overly complex templates that might require extensive modifications. There are several reputable platforms offering app templates. One excellent resource is Code Canyon. They provide a vast library of app templates for various niches, from social media to utility apps. Spend some time browsing their selection to find a template that aligns with your vision. When selecting a template, pay close attention to its features, documentation, and user reviews. Ensure the template comes with clear instructions for customization. Crucially, always check the licensing terms to ensure you have the right to modify and distribute the app commercially. This is a non-negotiable step for legal compliance. Consider templates that offer a good balance of features and simplicity. A well-designed template will save you countless hours of development time. It provides a solid starting point, allowing you to focus on branding and content rather than core functionality. Step 2. Customizing the app. Now for the fun part. Making the app your own. Once you've acquired your template, you'll typically receive the source code files. These files are usually opened in an integrated development environment, or IDE, like Xcode for iOS apps. Don't worry, you won't be writing code. Customizing these templates is surprisingly straightforward. Most modern templates are designed for easy modification of key elements. You'll primarily be working with visual assets and text strings. This process is often as simple as dragging and dropping files or editing text fields. You can easily change the app's color scheme to match your brand. Update the app's text, including titles, descriptions, and any in-app messages. Replace placeholder images with your own custom graphics. And, most importantly, upload your unique app logo. The goal here is to transform the generic template into a distinct, branded application. Focus on making it visually appealing and reflective of your identity. This basic walkthrough covers the essential customization steps to get your app ready for launch. While many templates offer advanced customization options, we're focusing on getting a functional app live quickly. Adding more complex features or integrating third-party APIs can be explored in future videos. For now, let's ensure your app is polished and ready for submission. Step 3. Setting up your Apple developer account. To publish any app on the Apple App Store, you absolutely need an Apple developer account. This is your gateway to the Apple ecosystem and the official channel for submitting your applications. It's a mandatory step, but it's a one-time setup. An Apple developer account allows you to access developer tools, test your apps on physical devices, and, most importantly, submit your finished applications for review. It also provides access to beta software and extensive documentation. Think of it as your official license to operate within the App Store. Setting up the account is a guided process on the Apple developer website. You'll need an Apple ID, and there's an annual fee associated with the account. This fee covers the cost of maintaining the developer program and providing the necessary infrastructure. It's a small investment for access to a global market. Navigate to developer.apple.com and follow the instructions to enroll. You'll be asked to provide personal or business information, depending on whether you're enrolling as an individual or an organization. Ensure all details are accurate to avoid delays. Once your account is active, you'll gain access to App Store Connect, which is the web-based tool you'll use to manage your apps. This platform is where you'll upload your app binary, provide metadata, and track its review status. It's an essential part of the publishing workflow. Step 4. Prepare your app for submission. With your app customized and your developer account ready, it's time to prepare your app for submission. This involves gathering all the necessary information and assets that Apple requires for review. This stage is critical for a smooth approval process. You'll need to provide detailed app information, including its name, category, and a compelling description. This description is what users will see on the App Store, so make it clear, concise, and engaging. Highlight your app's unique features and benefits. High-quality app icons are essential. Your app icon is the first visual impression users get, so it needs to be distinctive and professional. Apple has specific guidelines for icon sizes and formats, so ensure yours comply perfectly. Screenshots are equally important. You'll need to capture compelling screenshots of your app running on various device sizes. These screenshots showcase your app's interface and functionality, giving users a preview before they download. Choose images that highlight the best aspects of your app. You'll also need to consider privacy policies and support URLs. Apple takes user privacy very seriously, so a clear and accessible privacy policy is mandatory. Provide a link to your support website or contact information for users who might need assistance. All these elements are uploaded through App Store Connect. Take your time to ensure everything is accurate and polished. A well-prepared submission package significantly increases your chances of a quick approval. Step 5. Submitting your app to Apple. This is the moment you've been working towards. Submitting your app for review. Once all your app information, assets, and the app binary are uploaded to App Store Connect, you can officially send it to Apple. The review process typically takes a few days. Apple's review team meticulously checks every app to ensure it meets their strict App Store review guidelines. These guidelines cover everything from functionality and performance to design and legal compliance. It's a thorough process designed to maintain the quality and safety of the App Store. During the review, Apple might contact you for clarification or if they find any issues. Be prepared to respond promptly to any inquiries. Addressing their feedback quickly can expedite the approval process. Sometimes, minor adjustments are all that's needed. If your app is approved, congratulations! It will then become available on the App Store for users to download. This is a huge milestone and a testament to your efforts. You've successfully navigated the path from concept to live app. If your app is rejected, don't be discouraged. Rejection is a common part of the process, even for experienced developers. Apple provides specific reasons for rejection, allowing you to address the issues and resubmit. Learn from the feedback and iterate. Step 6. Post-launch and AMP. Marketing. Getting your app on the App Store is just the beginning. To truly succeed, you need a post-launch strategy. This involves monitoring your app's performance, gathering user feedback, and actively promoting your app to attract downloads. App Store Optimization, or ASO, is crucial for discoverability. This involves optimizing your app's title, keywords, and description to rank higher in App Store search results. Research relevant keywords that potential users might use to find apps like yours. Encourage users to leave ratings and reviews. Positive reviews significantly impact your app's visibility and credibility. Respond to all reviews, both positive and negative, to show users you value their feedback and are committed to improving the app. Consider running targeted marketing campaigns to drive downloads. This could include social media advertising, influencer collaborations, or even traditional PR. Promote your app across all your existing channels to maximize exposure. Continuously monitor your app's analytics to understand user behavior. Track downloads, active users, retention rates, and in-app purchases. This data provides valuable insights for future updates and improvements. Regularly update your app with new features, bug fixes, and performance enhancements. Consistent updates keep your app fresh, engage existing users, and attract new ones. An active app is a successful app. The power of this approach. This method of cloning and customizing existing app templates offers incredible advantages. It drastically reduces development time, allowing you to launch an app in a fraction of the time it would take to build from scratch. Time is money, and this approach saves you both. It also significantly lowers development costs. Hiring developers or spending months learning to code can be incredibly expensive. Templates provide a cost-effective alternative, making app ownership accessible even on a limited budget. This approach is perfect for rapid prototyping and market validation. You can quickly launch a minimum viable product, gather user feedback, and iterate based on real-world data. This agile approach minimizes risk and maximizes your chances of success. It empowers non-coders to become app owners. You don't need a technical background to follow these steps. If you can navigate a computer and follow instructions, you can launch an app. This democratizes the app development landscape. This strategy is a game changer for entrepreneurs. It allows you to quickly test business ideas, build a digital presence, or create new revenue streams without the traditional barriers. It's about smart execution and leveraging existing resources. So what's next for you? The first step is to commit to taking action. Don't just watch this video. Apply what you've learned. Start by exploring app template marketplaces like CodeCanyon. Find a template that excites you and aligns with your goals. Next, begin the customization process. Dive into the template files and start making it your own. Experiment with colors, fonts, and imagery. Make it unique and reflective of your brand or idea. Don't be afraid to get creative. Simultaneously, set up your Apple developer account if you haven't already. This is a foundational step that takes some time to process, so get it done early. Having your account ready will prevent delays later on. Prepare all your app assets, icons, screenshots, and compelling descriptions. Think like a marketer when crafting your App Store listing. Make it irresistible to potential users. This preparation is key to a smooth submission. Finally, submit your app with confidence. Follow Apple's guidelines, be patient during the review process, and be ready to iterate if necessary. Remember, every successful app started with a first submission. You now have a clear, actionable roadmap to launch your own app on the Apple App Store in under an hour. This isn't a pipe dream. It's a proven strategy that bypasses traditional development hurdles. You have the power to become an app owner, generate passive income, or build a thriving business. The mobile app economy is waiting for you. Don't let perceived technical barriers hold you back any longer. Take control of your entrepreneurial journey and leverage this powerful shortcut. The time to act is now. If you found this guide helpful, please subscribe and share it with anyone who dreams of app ownership. Your support helps us create more valuable content like this. Let's build the future of apps together.